to work with me? Come on, let's go to work. I love you. Hi. Hi, sweetie. You're not scared of me, huh? I love you too. Come on. Hi. Hi there. Hi. 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 Ah. Wow. Nana. Hi, baby. Are you not scared of me? That is so sweet of you. Hi. What do you want? What do you want, sweetheart? Hi. Hi. Do you want to go to work with me? Come, let's go on Southwest Airlines. Let's go. You want to go with me? Huh? Hi. Hey, baby. Come on, let's go to work with me. Yeah? Hi. I'm sorry. Are you scared? Hi. Hi there. You're right next to me. How cute is that? She's not even scared. She's not even scared of me. Bye bye. 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 Hi. I love you. I need to go to work. I'm running late. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye bye. Bye bye.